Alright, I guess we'll try that again. Hi guys! Hope you're having an amazing time. We're gonna draw stuff, right? Because drawing stuff is fun. In this video, okay, let's do this officially, right? No. In this video, we're going to be drawing Dragonair, right? Dragonair being the thing that Dratini evolves into, but that Dragonite did not evolve into Dragonite, basically. Yeah, that like blue snake Pokemon thing. It's a Pokemon card, right? So it's gonna have like this amazing like art pose thing, and yeah, like just look. All right, so I think it looks amazing, right? I like how it looks in this picture, so it should be a lot of fun, and I hope that you guys are able to do this best as possible. I hope that this helps as much as it can, and let's see if we can do it, guys. All right, cool. Let's start it. Let's do it. So, to start off, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a head shape. That's what we're going to do. The head shape is usually what we start with, right? But we're going to draw the head shape kind of like this, and then you're going to want to draw a line towards the back, which is pretty much, you're going to be able to see, like, this is basically, like, you know, the head shape that you're going for. And then what you could do is, because we could do the eye. The eye is going to be like it's not fully opened and it's not fully closed. It's like in between, like Dragonair's eye is like kind of like just in between those two, I guess, eye positions, right? Opened and like closed. And then what you could do is draw the mouth over here so we can kind of figure out exactly what's going on, right? So we can kind of like see where the face is coming together. Good job. And now what we're going to do is draw like details inside the eyes, guys. So draw this white circle that usually Pokemon have, right? They like white circles for like their eyes, and you can leave it like that. And then what's going to happen is at the under the white circle, you're going to have like this little moon shape or plate kind of shape. I don't really like, it's like a curve shape, right? And this is for like color. So it kind of looks cool whenever you actually start to color this in. You're going to see like that's going to be the color, and then the rest is going to be black, and then you're going to see like the eye look amazing. So now we can draw the ear, and what you're going to do is you're going to start off by doing like this little shape that swirls in, and it's going to go into that right there, and then you should see pretty much like this is pretty much what you should have, right? And then you're going to take that line towards the top and you're going to bring it out, and it's going to like make a wing kind of shape for the ear. The wing shape is like pretty much what Dragonair has for like its ears, right? And then now that you have that, you can continue the line or continue the wing shape, and it's gonna have like more, I guess, like little feathers kind of things, kind of like this. And you're pretty much doing like, yeah, pretty much go for, I guess, yeah, 4 would be good. And that's right there. That's your first. So this is okay. So basically, this is the ear on the side, right? You have it on this side. Now there's an ear on the other side, and all we're gonna do is just add a little bit more wing shapes, like this, and then we're gonna add another one. And it's gonna end right there, and just do one more, and that should be it for the other side, right? And that's good. Okay. So now this next part is actually pretty okay. It's not that hard. I hope. I hope. You pretty much do a triangle on top of the head, and then that's going to be your horn. You can kind of see how majestic Dragonair is just looking up, right? And the horn's pointing up. Okay. So under the right side of the, the right side of the head, you can kind of see like there's 2 lines, right, that lead to the neck. The right one, we're going to draw a circle, because this circle is going to be the little jewel that it has on its neck. And then details-wise, for details, pretty much just draw a circle in that circle, like this, right there. And that's just pretty much the white circle that reflects off with light, just like the eye has like the white circle. Now what we could do is bring the neck down, and you can kind of see it end right there. Leave that right there because we can do the other side as well. And we're going to bring that towards a little bit right here. And then, once you have those 2 lines, what we can do is draw like the belly pattern. Because that's what Dragonair has a belly pattern like going from like the jewel all the way around its body. So you can draw another line that goes in, and you can kind of see how those three lines are pretty much like the body coming together, right? So now that you have those three lines, you can continue the line from the back, make a curve like that, and then you can do another one, which is going to be the other, like, it's going to be like the body. I guess we do like, back, and then we do forward, and then we do the line in the middle, right? So then what you can do is draw the extend that line in the middle, the belly pattern, and then it ends right there. And then you can continue the other line like we've been doing, and it's going to go around just like this. And then you can continue the bottom again. You can kind of see what we're doing here, right, guys? We're just like doing it in, like little by little, right? And then what you can do is do the middle one again. Now this middle one is going to follow the other ones as well. And you can kind of see how it like comes together. It's pretty cool. So now what we can do is draw, so the bottom one, we're going to turn it into like a circle or an oval, I guess you would say. So do this basically, if you can see like that. And you can kind of see that it's going to go around. So take the other one and just loop kind of like this. And you can see it go into the back just like that. And then with this line in the middle, you can bring it over here, and you can end it towards over here. Good job, guys. All right, so we're doing pretty good, actually. All right, so now I guess what you want to do is, now that you have that right there, you can take the line that's, okay, so look at the circle. The circle, we're going to have a line going from this little bottom, like, the top part of that circle, and it's going to go out just like this. This is because it's like, the tail is twisting, right? So you want to keep, you want to have a line just like that. And then under that, where the, where the circle is, right? Or it's like an oval. Do another line and just bring it out and in all the way to over there. And this is just like the belly pattern again. Like the body's pretty much twisting and turning right there. So it's just, it's doing that kind of sort of thing. Then you can take the tail and continue it like this, and it's going to go into the other part. Oh, I guess is that part of the neck? Is that like, is the neck going? Is that the neck, or is that like the back? I guess that would be the back, right? It goes into the back, I guess. And then we can draw one line out towards over here. This is going to be the rest of its tail, pretty much, right? And you're going to draw another line under it like this. You can see how the tail is getting smaller, right? And then you could draw this little line that goes in like this. You can kind of see that it gets really the belly pattern starts to get very small over there. Now we can draw a circle. It's going to be two circles, but we're going to start off with this one right here. And then before we finish the other circle, what I want you to do is close this part of the tail off like this. And you can kind of see that the circle, I guess it has like some kind of sort of 3D shape to it, right? Then draw another circle over here, kind of like overlapping with this circle. It should have two. And then draw those little circle details, one right here and one right here. Right there. Perfect. So now, with that out of the way, all you really want to do is draw this last part of the tail, which is just like a little going out and then coming back in just like that. And my goodness, that's it. I don't know, that felt a little like long, but I don't know. You guys let me know if that was right on time, or if that was pretty good. I don't know, guys. This was actually like I think Dragonair is like a really fun Pokemon. By the way, it's done. Like this is it. I think Dragonair is a fun Pokemon. I definitely feel like this was a little tricky, but that could just be me. But it's pretty, like, it's a pretty cool, like, pose for Dragonair. I think it looks cool. So the Pokemon card did a really good job with this, and I don't know. You guys let me know if you guys like Dragonair, if you like the Pokemon card. I really like the Pokemon card. I like what they did with it, and I hope that this helped as best as it possibly can, guys. I hope that this was super helpful, as best as it best, best. I hope that you guys had fun. Have an amazing day, and smile a lot. Thanks so much, guys. I hope I'll see you guys soon. Take care, and have fun. See you later, guys.